Hello students, in this video I am going to tell you how to write a letter on the basis of visuals given in a question paper. कैसे आपके क्वेश्चन पेपर में कुछ फोटोज कुछ क्लूज विजुअल्स दिए होंगे. With the help of those visuals you are supposed to write a letter. I am going to tell you today. You just pay your attention. This is your question. You are Nikhil / Simran interested in pursuing a language course of short term duration. आप निखिल हैं या सिमरन हैं, आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं एक लैंग्वेज कोर्स करने के लिए, शॉर्ट टर्म छोटा सा टर्म का कोर्स करने के लिए. राइट लेटर टू द डायरेक्टर भारतीय विद्या भवन इंक्वायरिंग अबाउट द कोर्सेज अवेलेबल and asking the necessary details. Okay, you can take help from the following visual. Word limit 120-150 words. It's the visual that is given to you. Summer course in foreign languages with the language lab. Classes from 3rd June, timing evening 6 p.m. - 7:30 p.m. Apply up to 1/6/2013 is the date. French also morning classes 7:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. 7:30 बजे 9:30 बजे तक फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज क्लासेज होंगी, मॉर्निंग क्लास. उसके बाद स्पेनिश की होगी आपकी, अरेबिक, जर्मन, जापानीज, चाइनीज, रशियन, पोर्तुगीज, इंग्लिश, specific purpose and creative. These are the languages that you can learn in short term course. You have seen this visual. You decide to write a letter to the director of Vidya Bhavan, Bharati Vidya Bhavan, inquiring about courses available. और भी डिटेल्स मांगिए, कौन से कोर्सेज आपके अवेलेबल हैं, कैसे हम कर सकते हैं, क्या फीस है, क्या इनका ड्यूरेशन है. ओके, देखिए दिस द एड्रेस, सेंडर से एड्रेस 137 शिवपुरा DLF फेज 3rd गुड़गांव. ये यू कैन पुट योर ऑन एड्रेस, मतलब एड्रेस अकॉर्डिंग टू योर on wish. If address not given in the question, then you are supposed to put the address that you like. One line gap, then date. This is the date format I have already told you. 12th April 20 like this. The one line gap, then receiver's address. The director Bharati Vidya Bhavan, Kasturba Gandhi Marg, New Delhi. This is the address of the receiver to whom you are supposed to write the letter about the inquiry of courses given in the visual. Sir, this is with reference to your advertisement in the Times of India dated 10th April 2013, sir, informing about the short term language courses conducted to your institute. जो आपके इंस्टीट्यूट में जो शॉर्ट टर्म लैंग्वेज कोर्सेज चल रहे हैं उनके बारे में आपसे जो आपने एडवर्टाइजमेंट दिया था टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में 10 अप्रैल को, ठीक है, उसके बारे में ये लेटर लिख रहा हूँ आपको. आई एम अ ग्रेजुएट इन साइंस, मैं साइंस में ग्रेजुएट हूँ, एंड प्लान टू take up a job in one of the embassies. और मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि हमें एम्बेसीज में मुझे इन कोर्सेज के आधार पर कोई जॉब मिल जाए। ठीक है। आई एम पर्टिकुलरली इंटरेस्टेड इन चाइनीज और जर्मन लैंग्वेज कोर्सेज। मैं चाइनीज और जर्मन लैंग्वेज कोर्स सीखना चाहता हूँ स्पेशली, एंड अदर रिलेटेड शॉर्ट टर्म कोर्सेज इन दिस फील्ड, और दूसरे भी इससे संबंधित शॉर्ट टर्म कोर्सेज भी करना चाहता हूँ। प्लीज सेंड मी डिटेल्स ऑफ सच कोर्सेज यू आर कंडक्टिंग। जो कोर्सेज आप कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं, अपने करा रहे हैं, उनकी कुछ डिटेल्स भेजिए मेरे पास, स्पेशली दोज दैट स्टार्ट अराउंड फर्स्ट में। जो फर्स्ट में से स्टार्ट होने वाले उन कोर्सेज की डिटेल्स भेजिए। आई एम विलिंग इंटरेस्टेड टू डू दोज courses or one course out of them, etc. I will appreciate if you could forward me the details including certification. मैं बहुत अप्रिशिएट करूँगा, मैं आभारी रहूँगा अगर आप मुझे डिटेल्स भेज देते हैं ड्यूरेशन की, सर्टिफिकेशन की, क्या सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा, कितने टाइम का कोर्स होगा, फी स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा, एटसेट्रा। ये these details are also required so that I could analyze and could decide what course suits me, what course should I complete or do, so that I could get a job in one of the embassies. Okay. So this is the letter. Thank you. Then one line gap. Yours sincerely, Nikhil. If name of the person is given, then you are supposed to put the same name. Otherwise, XYZ ABC. Okay. I have told you this thing already to you. See it clearly. The entire letter, its contents, its format, layout. Again, see the visual that has been provided in the question. By the help of this visual, you are supposed to write a letter to the director of this institute that is providing these courses which are given in this visual. This is the question. Nikhil, if you are a boy, then you should write there Nikhil, and if a girl, then Simran. Okay. Two names are always given question in oblique. Boys will choose the name that suits boys, and the girls next name that suits girls. Are you getting it? It is now clearly visible. You can read and write the entire question and could see this visual, and with the help of all the things which are given in this visual, You should write a letter to the director of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. That is given in the question. Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. You are supposed to make this visual in your English notebook, and you are also supposed to note this answer down, this letter down in your notebook. This is your home assignment, this is your homework. You must complete it. And after completing this work, you must send its pic, its copy to me on my personal WhatsApp number, so that it could be checked properly, and if there are some mistakes, I will make them correct and will inform you about them online or during my live class. Okay. So note this letter down in notebook. After completing your task in the form of homework, you are supposed to send its pic to me on my personal WhatsApp number, so that it could be checked by me. And if there are any mistake, I would make you aware about it, and I will tell you how to you know, solve, or how to identify, or how to, you know, correct that mistake. Okay. Okay. God bless you. Have a nice day. Okay. Give your entire attention to your study, to your preparation. See each and every video that is being sent by me every day. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.